Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. Today, I am doing a little refresh in my living room, and I am trying to get my home back to normal. I am going to share with you a beautiful rug that I received from MatLiving. And I'm just going to share with you my process of putting my living room back together for little cost. If you are still interested, just keep on watching. Now, MatLiving reached out to me to take a look at their website. And you have so much to choose from, so many styles to choose from. And I wanted something light, something that would go with anything that I put in this space. And I selected the Sunshine White Rug in a 8x10 size. This rug is so beautiful. It is like an off-white tone. It has a little sparkle because you know me, I have to have a little sparkle in the things that I put in my home because that's just me. But it is an amazing, a beautiful area rug. So in this process of refreshing my living room, I said I wanted to do it at little cost. And I simply took my coffee table and my bar cart out to the backyard and I spray painted it. Now, let me tell you this. The coffee table and the bar cart came, when I purchased them, in the gold tone. And I spray painted them silver. But guess what? I went back to the gold. I spray painted them gold, and I'm loving it. When I get tired of the gold, I'll spray paint it silver or whatever color that I want. But this is an easy way to give yourself a different look for little money. Guys, I kept it simple on my coffee table by adding a floral or two floral arrangements. Just simple, not overcrowding the coffee table, not overdoing it, just keeping it minimal. So of course you already know I have to add pillows to this area. That's just me. I love pillows. So I ran to my closet, grabbed a few of them, and placed them on both of my love seats. I kept the window panels, the red and white, because red is my absolute favorite color. So I kept them, and we'll keep them until after February because Valentine's Day is in February. So I'm going to keep the red and white and change up then. I also kept my fireplace. I'm keeping it very simple. I'm not putting anything on it. Just keeping it bare. I'm loving just the bareness of the fireplace. Having all that garland on the fireplace for fall and winter. I'm just loving the clean slate that is in. And pretty much that is it. The living room refresh is done. Talking about my fireplace, this area here that's painted gray, I am going to paint that out again and just tone it down, give it a neutral color. Don't know which color I'm going to do yet, but that is a way, again, to change up things that you already own. But the showstopper for me in this space is this beautiful area rug by MatLiving. I would like to thank MatLiving for the opportunity to take a look at their website and for gifting me this beautiful rug that I will enjoy for years to come. I can see moving this rug in so many areas in my home. I will have a link to MatLiving listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blesties, just in case you are interested and you are in search for something new, an area rug for your own home. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring that bell. Double click it so you will be the first to know of everything that goes on here at A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I can be followed on other social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in the description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you are one of my blesties, and I love you guys so much. I am so grateful, thankful, and blessed that you are a part of our amazing family that we have here. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.